1 Minute Tips by Fujifilm and Cine D. Here in the Pacific Northwest, we have a lot of overcast days, so exterior compositions tend to have the foreground underexposed while the gray sky remains quite bright and with very few features. How should we deal with this? Well, the most straightforward way is to expose somewhere down the middle where foreground is slightly under and sky is over, and then try to compensate for this change in the color correction process. If you do have a clear subject and frame, we can also use some fill lighting to offset the work we would have to do in post. We can also use filtration. I don't see a lot of these anymore, but a gradient filter can sometimes give you a nice result, especially when there's a clear divide or horizon line. A polarizing filter can also enhance some contrast in the clouds, but can be hit or miss depending on conditions. And lastly, perhaps the hardest thing is just lean into it. Justify the atmosphere depending on the tone of your intended result by either letting the sky go completely gray or white, and maybe even adding a diffusion filter, creating a more ethereal feel, or underexposed to silhouette your subject and make it more moody. 1 Minute Tips. Until next time.